So, one of the many reasons why people, including myself, love Chase Ultimate Rewards is because of their versatility. And one of the ways that you can use these points is by transferring them to a travel partner, and that's what I'll be showing you how to do today. So, when I say versatile, you can use these points in many ways. You can get cash back, you can use them on the Chase travel site, or you can transfer them out to a travel partner such as an airline or a hotel, like I'll be showing you today, by transferring some points to Hyatt. Um, Chase has 11 airline partners and 3 hotel partners. So that gives you a lot of options, a lot of flexibility when transferring them out, if a deal is better to book through the points of that specific hotel or airline. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are at the Chase Ultimate Rewards homepage, and one thing to notice here is to make sure that you're on the Sapphire family cards. So if you have a Freedom or a Freedom Unlimited, those won't work for transferring to the partners. So you really want to make sure you're in your Sapphire family, whether it's the Reserve or the Preferred. So once we're here, we're going to go up here to Travel, and we're going to click Transfer Points to. Now that we are here, like I mentioned before, there's 11 airlines that they partner with. So if you wanted to pick one of these airlines, you would just click right here. Or they have 3 hotel partners where we can go here. We're going to be doing Hyatt. And one thing to note is these transfer partners have different lag times until the points are ready. So some are available instantaneous, some are available next day, some are available in 3 or 4 business days. It can take up to a week. So those are some things to be mindful of when you are transferring your points, just so that they're ready when you need them. I think for Hyatt, it's next business day, and it could be up to a week. And I don't need the points immediately, so that's good. But you can just check that by clicking into it, and then it will tell you right here how long it could take. And so, just a couple things to mention. So this is a one-way street. So once I send my Chase points out to Hyatt or United or whoever it might be, I can't get those points back. So I really want to make sure that this is what I want to do before I do it, because like I said, there's just no getting those points back. So one good thing to check is their availability. So I'm transferring to Hyatt. I need to make sure that the hotel that I want to book has availability and that the point amounts are correct. And that's point 2 is, am I transferring the right amount of points? So in this case, the hotel that I want to book is 25,000 points. So I want to make sure that I go check that hotel, make sure that there's availability for 25,000 points before I do this, because like I said, I can't get those points back. The points are more valuable in Chase, so I don't want to just send over a bunch of Hyatt points only to use the 25,000 now and then have, a few thousand just sitting there, because they're more valuable in Chase and I can send them other places. I can use them on the travel portal. I can get cash back. I want them in Chase unless I need them in the Hyatt app. So you definitely just want to double check that and make sure that they are all matching up and good to go. We are going to come down here, since I am going to be transferring the Hyatt points, and then right down here where it says transfer points, I'm going to click there and I'll pick you guys up on the next page. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on step 2. Step 1 was just confirm that it's you and put in your loyalty program number for Hyatt. So I put that in. It brought me here. So the hotel that I need is 25,000 points. So I'm going to put that in. And then click next to get to step 3. It's just confirmation. So we're moving 25,000 from Chase to Hyatt as correct. And then we will hit submit. Okay, so that was pretty simple. It came up with a confirmation, check your email, that sort of thing. And then I immediately went and looked on Hyatt, and my 25,000 points were there. So even though it said, it could take a day, it could take a week, it was pretty instantaneous. And so with that, I'll be able to go book the hotel now. And that was a very simple, easy process. So if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.